Guys, Keith from Young Electric. Here we are again. Another site, another beautiful sunny day. Today, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take you on a walk. We're gonna see what we're doing, what we got going on. We got lots of ground to cover. Big job site, let's go. You might not be able to tell, but we're standing in a drive-through right now. National food chain is moving in here. What we've done, we get conduits in the ground here. Future signage, future light poles, anything that needs to go underground and get covered is what we're doing right now. Let's keep going. So now we're standing in what is going to be, I don't know, what do you call this, the dining room? Yeah, you can sit in here. At one point, you'll be eating. Here's the pretty stuff though. This is the stuff that I like. Pipes, lots of pipes. So what these pipes do, these house the wires. I guess I should break it down for everyone. I'm assuming everyone knows. These are conduits. Conduits go underground. This is location A for all conduits. Location B is scattered throughout this job site. So it goes from here, we'll go to light poles, we'll go to power transformers. We have data, so your Cogeco, your Bell, your fiber, all of those are in conduits. Just to get these conduits in the ground involves 3 different contractors. So lots of coordination, lots of teamwork involved in this one. Let's walk further back and I'll show you what's going on back there. More conduits. What this will end up being, you can't tell, but this is eventually gonna be a grass island. Traffic is gonna get directed around here. So in this island, we have light poles, we have intercoms, right? So like when you pull up to a drive-through and you're talking to an intercom, that intercom has wires in it. This will be you ordering food. All right, guys, so this is what I would describe as the hub for all things electrical in this whole development, right? So this is gonna be, I don't know, some of you might see them sometimes. It's a big green box. It's a transformer. Aves, come take a look. Same thing, all those pipes underground, they all run into here, right? So we're gonna pull wires through there, and this is gonna power everything. Let's take you over to this building. We are standing in an electrical room. So again, similar to that building, this is our hub, right? This is where everything's gonna start. We're gonna branch out from here. This particular building is gonna have 3 units. Each one of these is something that Blenheim's been missing. So we're happy that we're gonna help the town of Blenheim have these, places to shop. All right, guys, so that was the tour. We're at underground, we're at infrastructures. We're doing all the dirty stuff, right? We're getting muddy, we're getting dirty, we're digging holes. So once steel's up and the building is boxed in, then the fun starts. Then we're starting to wire these units, we're getting power to the units. That's probably the next time you see us.